So I tried to light the pilot wouldn't light, so let's check gas. And gas is good, so I'm gonna check outlet of the gas valve here and see if I got gas coming out. If I do, I probably got a clogged orifice on my pilot assembly, which I'm fairly confident I do, considering they've been lighting it with paper. So let's check gas on the outlet here and see if we got gas. Tight in the pilot, press it in. Kind of weird, 1.58. It should be full pressure. See if this adjuster is for the pilot or for the burner. .83. It's not changing it, so that's probably for my main burner. That's weird, because I had 5 inches of water column here. Should have 5 inches of water column here. So, look at the both, see what's going on. We got gas pressure coming in. Looks like we got a bad regulator. Let me pull this thing out and see what's back there. Still same issue with the gas, but looky here. What's that down there? Let's escalate quickly. I managed to get my gas come into my burner. I was lighting my pilot, it wouldn't hold. Unhooked my high limit wires, which just ties into my thermocouple. Was getting 1.8 millivolts. That's all I was generating, so I changed the thermocouple and with the high limit wires and everything. You can see how it hooks up there. Changed that. I was generating 23 unhooked. Hook it up, I'd be generating, I'd knock down the 4, wouldn't run. So replaced the gas valve, and now it's up and running. That thing is full of paper, as you can see. Glass is missing, but it's running. So I'll have to come back and replace that glass on that little sight glass there and check on it later, but it's running for today. See if I can blow some more of that out. I think I quit lighting some paper. The igniter worked fine. I don't know what they were trying to accomplish, but you can't tell these guys anything.